please start recording? Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the accounting class. My name is Ndafa Awanga. So our topics for today is accounting equation. By the end of this class, Rena should be able to state the equation, the accounting equation, explain the elements of the accounting equations, and explain the relationship between the elements of the accounting equation. Accounting equations. Accounting equation is defined as an equation that states that in a business, accounting is built on a very simple idea that the accounting equation is equal to asset is equal to liability plus owner's equity. This is basically states that assets in accounting are equal to the money, it basically states that assets in the business are equal to the money and the assets supplied by the business by the business owners when starting the business. Assets are divided into two categories, the non-current assets and the current assets. Non-current assets are assets that are in the business are in possession of a more permanent nature, which although not involved in an actual trading, are essential to the process of earning income. For example, we have property, machinery, vehicles, and plant equipment. Current assets are assets of a more temporary nature and their values changes from a day to day and can be changed into cash. Examples are inventory, trade receivables, and cash equivalent. Liabilities are also divided into two parts, the non-current liabilities and current liabilities. The non-current liabilities are the obligations of a business that are repayable over a period of longer than a year, which is longer than 12 months. Current liabilities are liabilities that are payable in a shorter period of time, usually within 12 months. Examples are trade payables, bank overdraft, and other payables. In our next slide, we have capital, which is also called owner's equity, is the contributions made by the owner of the business when starting the business. This can be in a form of funds, which is money, or non-current assets, which can be machinery, vehicles, or any other. To take note, the two sides of accounting equation will always have the same total. This is because we are dealing with the same transaction from two angles, which is asset is equal to liability plus capital. In Lime English is like what they are and who is equal to who supply them. Effects of business transaction on accounting equation. Each transaction involves two accounts. This is called the double entry system. One account is to be debited and the other one to be credited. we come to the end of this class, but before we end it, I'll also end this one by giving the homework, which is identify the following accounts of, thank you. Identify whether the following account, our homework, identify whether the following account are assets, liabilities, or capital. Where we have capital loans, property, drawings, plant and equipment, vehicles, trade receivables, inventory, revenue, and stationery. So we have to identify these ones, whether they are assets, liability, or they are capitals, which is owner's equity.
Miss, when is the due date for the assignment?
The assignment due date is tomorrow during class.
Thank you, ma'am.
The homework.
Oh,
You're more
okay,
than welcome.
Okay, ma'am.